For me, this has been an incredible experience, especially working with Jasmine and my writer, Nancy. At the beginning of the program, for me, was jumping a different role that usually have in my career, in my life, where I lead others. And it was a little bit of a struggle for me to be led. I am very grateful that they stuck out with me with my 150,000 questions I did. And then until one day, Jasmine told me, surrender. And you have to surrender. That expression was great because how do I face certain aspects of things that I struggle with? And I think that has been fantastic. That has happened because this group. So thank you so much to everybody that have done that for me.